Hey, it's Danny with your latest tech update. Microsoft's just revealed it blocked more than 35.7 billion malicious emails last year. That's about 1,000 emails every single second. It also foiled 9.6 billion attempted malware attacks. This is where cyber criminals try to fool you into clicking a link that installs malicious software on your device or network. Plus, it blocked 25.6 billion attempts at getting into accounts by simply guessing the login details. These are called brute force attacks. Microsoft says attackers still use these simple tactics because not enough businesses take their security seriously. So, how can you best protect your business? There are so many protections. The simplest is to introduce multi-factor authentication for all accounts your staff use. This is where you generate or receive a code on another device. It's very effective at making sure only the right people access the right accounts. Need a hand setting it up? Just get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.